Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for you, the AS7112RDX unboxing. So, let's dive right in and see what this NAS has to offer. Alright, first things first, let's crack open the box and unveil the AS7112RDX. Exciting times. Now that we have the box open, let's take a look at the product specifications. What makes this NAS stand out? Stay tuned to find out. Peeling away the layers, removing the foam packing, and discovering what's hidden in those smaller boxes. There's always a sense of anticipation with these unboxings. Alright, here are the essentials: power cable connectors and 4 other connectors. Stay organized, folks. Don't overlook the details. We've got screws and accessories, the little things that make a big difference in setting up your NAS. Now, the moment we've been waiting for, let's take the NAS out of the box and get a closer look. Unwrapping the NAS, peeling off the plastic packing to reveal the sleek design. It's all about that first impression. Next up, the heart of your storage solution, the hard drive tray. Let's check it out and then pop it back in its place. Count a total of 12 drive slots. That's some serious storage potential right there. Exploring the surface, here are some buttons and indicators. Let's decipher what each one does. Now, flipping it over to the backside, ports for various connectivity, exhaust fan for cooling, and of course, the power ports. It's all happening back here. And last but not least, the PSD resistance, Western Digital drives, each boosting a whopping 16 terabits. That's some serious storage power right in your hands. And there you have it, the AS7112RDX unboxed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech content, and stay tuned for our upcoming in-depth review. Thanks for joining us. And until next time, happy tech exploring.